oil pan. It's like glitter. Yeah, that's a rod bearing. I don't know how we get all that out, but it's nice. It's not something you want to see in your oil pan.